A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means
Sale.
B for ball.
B
Useful
for
shots
ball.
Ball
Toss
means
and follow.
Game.
Backspin draw.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means
Billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means
Kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means
Kathi.
M for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means
मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है।
G for grapes.
G for grapes.
Grapes means
अंगूर.
H for hen.
H for hen.
Hen means
मुर्गी.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means
Ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
Juice means
Juice.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means
पतंग.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Lion means
शेर.
शेर यज़्दां मेरा मौला हैदर हैदर अख़ी नबी
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
Monkey means
बंदर.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means
घोंसला.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means
संतरा.
P for papaya.
P for papaya.
Papaya means
पपीता.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means
रानी.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit means
खरगोश.
S for sun.
S for sun.
Sun means
सूरज.
T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means
चीता.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means
छाता.
V for van.
V for van.
Van means
गाड़ी.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means
घड़ी.
X for Xmas tree.
X for Xmas tree.
Xmas tree means
Xmas tree.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Yak means
जंगली भैंसा.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Zebra means
Zebra.
Like, share, subscribe the video. Chutku, ABC.